How to upload photos to Google Drive and share link. To learn how, follow the simple steps and make sure you watch video till the end. To get started, open Google Drive. After it appears, tap on plus icon at bottom right corner. Tap on upload option. Then go to photos on right hand side. After that, choose photo from any folder that you want to upload. For now, I'm going with this folder and choose this photo. Once you select, tap on done. Now to share link, tap on three dots at the right hand side. Here, before you share, you'll have to manage the people and link who can have access to the file. If you don't manage the people and links, even though you share, other people won't have access to your file. Now to manage access, just tap on manage access. Here you'll see the restricted. On the restricted, you can see the change option. Just tap on it. Then tap on arrow beside restricted. Then tap on second option, anyone with the link. As you can see, it has been updated. Now anyone with the link can access your file. Now all you have to do is copy the link and share it to others. For this, go back and again tap these three dots. Then tap on copy link. After that, your link will be copied and you can paste it and share to others. So this is how you upload photos to Google Drive and share link. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.